Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC fuse and AC clutch relay are located on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So they are under the hood, so we need to pop our hood. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. To open it, we're going to reach back here and pull on this tab and lift. And then we can pull this up and out of here. So there is a diagram on the back of this plate here that'll show you what the spaces are. We're looking for F27 for the fuse, which is this 15 amp fuse right here. And then the relay is in R11, which is this relay right here. So we've got our 15 amp AC fuse right here and our relay right here for the AC clutch. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.